So I'm playing with the Scrap Diva Designs bow bag toppers. And let me grab the entire set so I can show you guys what comes with it. So you get 2 size bag toppers, which are these. These are the bases for them. And you can kind of see comparisons for size. Really nice size pieces. And along with this, you're gonna get like a base. You're gonna get this layering piece here. And then you're also gonna get another piece to layer on top there, along with some sensors, which look like this. Let me turn it around. So you're gonna get both sizes. These are stitched as well. They have a little stitch detail. The other one, so you can layer these two. So it's a really cute die set, and I did make some Easter themed bows with the bunny ears that you guys saw. So I wanted to create a keychain, and I busted out that faux leather, like that canvas material. And I glued this down with both E6000 and hot glue. Put a little cute little key ring here. And I'm gonna actually link this because I got this from Amazon. It is a huge bag of them for really cheap. It was pretty inexpensive. So I'll link this down below, because if you guys grabbed the Scrap Diva, let me grab it. Okay, so this is the die that I'm talking about, her tag one, or tag holder. So I did use the big bow by accident. I meant to use the smaller one. So this is probably not gonna fit on here. I mean, it's still cute. Like if you get a bigger packaging, like you know what I mean, a little baggie that's a little bit wider, it will still look cute on here. So I went ahead and I die cut the smaller one. I don't know why I thought that I was using the smaller one, but I wasn't. So I went ahead and I cut the smaller one, and it fits so much better. It still like overhangs a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It's so cute, guys. So let's put this together. I wanted to show you guys how you can easily create a keychain out of any shape, really. Okay, and I did this with her bunny memory dex card. So I did cut the bigger one. We'll put both of these together, and the smaller one. So you're gonna cut 2 of each, right? 2 of each. Let's go ahead and glue these down. And you're basically gonna just cut a rectangular strip to create your keychain, to make it a keychain. I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'm using 110-pound cardstock to back it. I want it to be nice and sturdy. Let me get my little folder. So whatever you do to the front, do to the back. Let's put glue on this. And then you guys can go crazy and embellish this. You can do it, you can embellish it very simply. And then I would definitely add a dangle. So I'm thinking for this video, I'll show you guys the process of this, and then I'll do like a time lapse or something of, I didn't put that on straight. A time lapse of me making the dangle. It's gonna have to stay like that. If this happens to you, just use your heat tool, and it should like melt the glue maybe. You'll be able to pull it up. But this will just be the back side, isn't it? It's not a big deal. Okay, so you got your 2 pieces, and then I just basically took a strip to have as my middle piece for our keychain. And I'm gonna go ahead and manipulate the paper, because I do want it to be like, you know, that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hardware, keychain hardware. And this is what it looks like. You get a ton of these, guys. I'm gonna link this down below, because if you guys bought that die, you're gonna want to make all kind of dingles. And I'm just gonna put my paper in like that. Look at how cute that flower is hanging right there. I've got to get it on there. Okay. And then I'm just gonna glue that here. I'm gonna try to center it as much as possible. So guys, you can use this technique with any shape. Again, I did it with the memory decks bunny, the bunny memory decks. All right, so let me just make sure I got this on really well. And then I'm gonna slide this back on here. And then we'll glue the back side. I'll actually put a little bit of glue here. But yes, try this with your faux leather if you want to make it really fancy and like up it. But we're gonna do paper for this video. And I'm gonna go ahead and just glue this entire piece on here. Okay. It's okay, Mama. Shh, 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 shh. Kids are sleeping. It's okay, baby. I think I'm making too much noise, guys. But we're just gonna glue this back to back. And there is your keychain, you guys. It's so simple. And I came up with this idea because me and my daughter did a live and we made keychains. And as I was playing with the keychain die, I'm like, I could easily make this with any shape. And there goes your keychain. Isn't that so cute? So pretty. Let's do the tiny one. Let's put the tiny one together. How cute is this paper? This is the new Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove. I'm still waiting for Joann's to get it. They have it online, but it's not available for shipping, and it's not available at any stores yet. So I'm just trying to be patient. I want to get more of this paper because it's so beautiful. If you guys haven't seen this collection, I'm gonna link my video down below so you guys can check it out. But if you can, definitely wait for Joann's so you can save some money. This die is so cute, guys. So not only can you make it, there's just so many possibilities with all her dies. By the way, make sure you guys use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. If you don't have any of these dies and you want to grab them, and you can use my code on any of her dies on her site at any time, okay? Doesn't have to be these in particular. So cute. I mean, I keep like not putting it straight on the back piece. Okay, so let me show you with a strap. So I'm using 110-pound cardstock. Use your paper trimmer, guys, because I'm not going to. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a strip. And then I'm gonna take the paper that we used. Let me find this sheet. And I'm just gonna cut it a little bit thinner. I wanna leave a little edge, you see? I want to count for both sides of the edges, so I'm gonna do about that thickness showing, and I'm just gonna cut alongside that. Again, use your paper trimmers. I took my stuff to my craft room, and I keep having to come to the kitchen to craft because it's the only place where I can get stuff done with Ava. So I'm getting tired of going back and forth, you guys. And I'm just trying to get these videos out for you guys to inspire you and show you some ideas with these dyes, because they're the bomb. If you are a bow lover, you a boho like us, you're gonna need these dyes in your stash for sure. Okay, so just like that, and you see how it's not perfect, it doesn't matter. And then you're just gonna go ahead and manipulate your paper. I should let that dry first. Just kind of mold it like that. I don't know if it was still recording me or not, but let's go ahead and glue this strip. Trying to see what I want my front and my back to be. We'll do this part for the front. Just a little bit of glue. Center it as best you can. And then get it on there really good. I'm turning it around, make sure I got it, yeah. So easy, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take my hardware before I forget. These are so easy to like put through. Yeah, I would say that and then have a problem, right? You just kind of get it on there like that. Slide it on. And then we're gonna go ahead and loop it through. I'm gonna glue this to this, just like we did on the other one. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue that entire back piece. So simple, you guys. Make sure that you add one of your beautiful dangles. If you guys need some inspiration on dangle making, I'm gonna link my beaded projects playlist. And you guys can hopefully get some inspiration from that. Okay, so put in the glue. I'll try to line it up. So easy, guys. You could even put some foam tape in between to give it a little bit of dimension. That would have been nice, but I'm gonna go ahead and layer this really nicely, so I'm gonna have a nice flat base. And there goes your keychains. I don't know what's going on with my phone. It keeps like giving me notifications and I'm not seeing it. But look at how cute they came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse and decorate it. I'll be back. Right, so look at these beautiful beads. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. These are from Happy Crafter Shop. I'm gonna be making my dangle to go with these keychains with these beads. This is her disco bead. These are some of my beautiful bead caps. I think I got these from Walmart. And then the bubblegum 20 millimeter, I believe the size is. And then this one. So guys, wrap those beads. I just did the little curly cute thing. And then we have the pearl ones. If you guys are interested in these beads, go to happycraftershop.com. Use my code Poochie10. And hopefully she has some still available because her stuff sells out very quickly. These are those rondelle spacers. They're so gorgeous, you guys. Look at the pastel ones. They just look like candy. Like, look. They're so cute. And then I'm obsessed with these disco ones. Look at how the light catches them. They're so pretty, you guys. So, so pretty. And then, of course, I had to put the bows. And I mixed them with the disco ball beads. So pretty. Okay, so I went ahead and I embellished this one off camera. So I just took one of the, what do you call it? not chipboard, the foam stickers from the new Maggie Holmes collection. And I layered some flowers behind it. They're the translucent ones, the see-through ones. I don't know if you can see it. And I just finished it off with a cute little cabochon from Happy Crafter Shop. This is the one we put on the beaded pins. And so let's go ahead and decorate this one together. I kind of pre-fixed how I wanted it. I made a little tool bowl for texture. Let's go ahead and layer that. Okay. Just gonna place that right there in the middle. And then I'm gonna use one of my vellum rosettes. Guys, if you're not familiar with this, if you missed the video, I'm gonna link it down below. I have a tutorial on how to create this butterfly rosette using Scrap Diva Designs butterfly rosette die. Okay, comes with those two sizes. This is the bigger size we're gonna use, and this is that pretty gold vellum from Hobby Lobby. I didn't finish off these butterflies because I knew I was gonna layer on top of them. So there's no need for me to put a center on them. And this is gonna give some nice dimension. And then I'm gonna finish it off with this beautiful butterfly bow die that is also a new release in Scrap Diva Designs shop. And I just put some eyelash trim in the middle. And I got this eyelash trim from Amazon. I will link it down below if anyone is interested. Okay, and I'm just gonna layer that right on top of that. Look at how pretty and so dimensional. Here, let me get this nice and centered. Yes, I love it, you guys. Look at that. I'm gonna have to diamond dot this because this is too plain for me. And then we're gonna create a dangle for this as well. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for you guys, along with my code Poochie10, where you can save with scrapdivadesigns.com as well as happycraftershop.com, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a speed thingy, and I'm gonna make some dangles for these two chains, and we're gonna put it on here. Guys, when you're cutting this die, don't make the mistake that I keep making. There's a part that is stitched and there's one that is not stitched. I just automatically assumed that the stitch one, because I'm so used to her stitch dies being the layering pieces, the stitch one is actually the background piece, okay? So make sure you cut that right. All right, guys, so this is how they turned out. I think they came out so pretty. Oh my God. So I just put a bunch of the Happy Crafter beads here. I added one of the little flower cabochons. And the same with this one. Just did the beads. It's so pastel and so pretty. So you guys gotta let me know down below which one you like. I definitely would have probably put foam to make it just a little bit more dimensional in between the two sandwich pieces. And then look at this one, so pretty. I added some little gems because that butterfly just needed something. And then here's the dangle, got a little bow going on, a little cabochon from the Happy Crafter Shop. Look at all the dimension and layers. I love it so much. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, which one do you love? Which one do you like the best? They're both so pretty. I don't know, I'm kind of leaning towards this one, but I love, love, love the layering on this one. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found some inspiration. I look forward to seeing your keychains. And I try to utilize a bunch of Scrap Diva Design dies. Make sure you guys snatch them. If they are currently sold out, just make sure that you sign up for notifications to see when they're back in stock, because she is very good at restocking items, okay? So grab what you can, guys, and I will be back in another video with some more inspiration and projects. Bye, guys.